Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the road you're in. This is Chris again, The Watch Lounge, coming at you with another unboxing. Today's unboxing is a Casio. This is a Edifice watch that is I would say it's a Royal Oak homage. It kind of has that Royal Oak aesthetic. I believe the model on this is called the Beside. I'm going to have to do a little bit more research, but I do have the model number on the box and everything. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that Breitling, that Roman linen. Still digging that. Really cool piece, guys. Just to show you that I cover literally every price of the spectrum, every spectrum on the price stand, excuse me, guys. This was sent in by my buddy Peter C. He is on Instagram as Watch Again, and I will leave the link down to his Instagram. You follow him down below on his Instagram page. He's the same gentleman that was kind enough to let me in the Timex Navi. He also let me in the vintage Timex Q, both pretty cool watches. He has a pretty cool collection. He takes some great pics, guys. Now, of course, I already kind of cheated and did the unboxing on this already. He sent in an Amazon box, packed it pretty well. Here you can see the box itself. Pretty good box overall for a Casio Edifice. As you know, Edifice are a lot of bang for buck. Excuse me, that hang tag keeps falling out. But as you know, these are a lot of bang for buck, guys. These Edifice are great watches, especially for the money. I had owned one a while back, and this one in particular, of course, you can see the reference number. This is the EFR-S107D-1AVCR. If you guys are interested in looking this up on Amazon or anywhere else, I believe these are on eBay for about $100 something right now. They are sold out in most places, so you may have to put one of these up a used. This is one of those watches that was pretty hyped when it first came out, and I can see why. Pretty nice little tin here, almost kind of like the Casio G-Shock tins here, guys. Overall, first impressions on the packaging is actually pretty nice for Edifice or a Casio watch as well. Onto the watch itself. Overall, first impressions, I'm really digging this one, guys. It is a really cool watch. As I mentioned, it does kind of pay homage to like a Royal Oak, as you can see there. Has that bracelet, the Ace-Link bracelet, you can throw on different natives. I do believe this is a 100-meter water-resistant watch, and like I said, for under $100 retail, this is really killer. You can see the pretty good detail on the dial. You can see the date window at 3 o'clock, the Edifice there. And again, it does say water-resistant there for 100 meters. You can see they have the Edifice. And again, look for a full review of this guy coming up soon. And I appreciate you, Peter, for sending this watch in and the others that you sent in. If it wasn't for subscribers and viewers like you guys, I wouldn't have a lot of the watches to check out and show you guys the different watches, different brands. So I appreciate it. Like I said, I cover everything from Casio to Breitling, Tudor. I cover all of it and everything in between, guys. So if you want to, just hit that notification bell if you don't mind, and hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, as I do cover a lot of different watches, come out with live streams regularly, unboxings, and just in general watch topics and watch chats, guys. So anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think down in the comments about this little Casio Edifice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.